And hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. Alright, so you all remember the case statements, right? Basically, you put in the variable you want, what it should be between, you get your output that you want, you can put begin, you can put end, all of that. Now, we are going to be covering case lists. Now, I don't know if this is exclusive to Delphi, but you can kind of put your case statements in a list. For example, case I mark of, and then you can go, let's say, like the book does it, 29, then show message, oopsie, you chose 21, I mean 29, excuse my typing. Alright, then you have your, what the heck, then you have your next part of the statement that you can go like this. Let's say 2, 4, 3, 5, 8, 9, show message, your number is less or equal to 10. Alright, now basically this is kind of a list. This is where the case lists, the list part of the name comes in, because you can kind of list the numbers if you work with numbers, or even with strings. You list them there and you can get your output. Now, but let's show you another example of this. Let's go, so then you have 100 dot dot 200, a normal case statement, slash code, or put your code there, then it does whatever you want. Then you also have, then you can mix them, you can like get them all tangled up. Then you can have like 23 comma 400 comma 600 to 1000. Alright, so basically that's a case list. So you can just make things kind of in a list. It's nothing special. But it can make the programming time decrease of quite a lot, and I think it maybe runs a little bit faster than an if statement, but don't take my word for it because I don't know. So yeah, thank you all for watching. See you all in the next video.